Ready to unleash the full potential of your racing games? Let's connect that Thrustmaster T248 to your PS5. First, make sure your T248 is powered off. Locate the USB port on the back of the wheelbase, right next to the power and pedal connectors. Now, grab the USB cable that came with your wheel. Firmly plug one end into that USB port on the back of the T248. Take the other end of the USB cable and plug it into one of the USB ports on the back of your PlayStation 5. Make sure your PS5 is powered on. The T248 should automatically be recognized by your PS5. You should see the wheel light up and possibly display the PlayStation logo on its screen. To confirm, go to Settings, then Accessories, and then Controller. Your Thrustmaster T248 should be listed as a connected device. And that's it, you're all set to race. Time to fire up your favorite racing game and experience the thrill of driving with your Thrustmaster T248 on the PS5.